How to turn on Incognito Mode on YouTube on Android. This tutorial shows you where to find it after YouTube's recent layout update. First, open the YouTube app on your Android device. From there, make sure your phone is in portrait mode, not landscape, since the option won't show up if you're rotated sideways. After that, tap the U tab at the bottom right corner. At this point, look to the top left of that screen. Following this, tap on your account option there. From here, a drop-down list will appear. At this stage, look for Turn On Incognito within that list and tap it. A short explanation will pop up letting you know what Incognito Mode does. Following this, tap Got It or Turn On to confirm. Once enabled, your profile picture changes to an incognito icon, letting you know it's active, and anything you watch or search while it's on won't be added to your history or affect your recommendations. That's how you turn on Incognito Mode on YouTube. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!